Today, I'm going to show you how to hide your joined Whops from other users in just a few quick steps. This is a really useful privacy setting if you want to keep your public profile cleaner, more private, and less focused on the communities you belong to. Whether you're using Whop for business, learning, or creator communities, turning this off only takes a moment. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, sign into your account at whop.com and make sure you're on your home feed. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This is where Whop keeps your account settings and profile controls. After that, click the gear icon located directly to the right of your username. That will take you straight to the Edit Profile tab, which is where you can manage what other users see on your public profile. Now that you're on the Edit Profile page, scroll down past your bio and the Basic Information section. Keep going until you reach the More Details area. In this section, you'll see a setting called Joined Whops. This is the option that controls whether the communities you've joined are visible on your public profile. To hide them, simply toggle the switch on the right to the off position. Once you turn that setting off, Whop will automatically save your preference. You do not need to click a separate Save button. After that, the list of communities you've joined will be instantly hidden, and other users who visit your public profile will no longer be able to see them. That means your profile becomes more private right away, with no extra steps required. And that's it. You've now hidden your joined Whops from other users on Whop. It's a quick privacy adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you want to control what appears on your profile. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.